Bitcoin broke all-time highs and is above $66,000. And it's not only about Bitcoin, it is about crypto and altcoins, because as we know, when Bitcoin pumps, so does everything else. So first thing is I want to congratulate all of you that have been holding and building up your portfolio over the last few months. It's very hard to hodl, right? People think trading is hard. Holding on is even harder. So big congratulations to anyone that held through. And right now, there is bullish sentiment in the crypto space, especially following the debut for the first ever Bitcoin futures ETF, which started trading yesterday, and it ended up being the second highest traded fund ever for a day. In addition, VanEck's Bitcoin Strategy ETF will likely launch next week, with trading expected to begin on October 25th. So right now, a lot of bullish sentiment. Today's an exciting day. Yes, this is exciting. But exciting may also be dangerous, because when we're excited, we become emotional. And when we are emotional, we may make irrational decisions. So right now, I will say this. Be very cautious of any big FOMO buys. I am not saying not to get into crypto, not to get into Bitcoin or altcoins. I would never say that, right? I'm here for the long run. But in the very short term, just be very cautious with any big buys where you overextend yourself or playing with money you can't afford to lose and FOMOing in, because right now everyone is paying attention, right? This isn't like the last 3-4 months when people, weren't really paying attention and it cooled off. That was the time to stack. That was the time to build. Again, congratulations to everyone that was building up over the last few months. But right now we have higher risk, but it's not high reward. It's high risk with low to medium reward, because everyone's here. Everyone is paying attention. So I just wanted to get that out of the way. And yes, that's the sad part of this video, but overall, today is an exciting day. Bullishness across the board, because Facebook has stated that they are going to rebrand their company name to reflect their future plans of building the metaverse. Yes, Facebook will become a metaverse company, not a social media company, but a metaverse company. And everyone's trying to figure out what they're gonna call the name of this company. Some funny names that we've seen on Twitter, and I wanna know what you guys think. So put it down in the comments below what you think they will name their company. And yes, Facebook is not liked by many, and we often think Facebook is used by the older generation, or no one really uses Facebook, except that's not true. Facebook still is the #1 social media platform in the world. So this is very big overall for the crypto space. Doesn't mean that I'm happy that Facebook's doing it or that I want to use their metaverse, but this is how we get mainstream adoption. This is how people will learn about NFTs and crypto and the metaverse. Also last year, Facebook was supposed to launch their own stablecoin, except the regulators shut it down. And the reason is because if they launched their stablecoin, overnight it would have become the #1 stablecoin basically in the world, putting every other fiat currency to shame, because it was going to be a stablecoin backed by multiple world currencies, and also it would immediately be accessible to billions of people. So the regulators shut it down. Facebook had to go back and rebrand and change up how they're going to launch. So now Facebook has partnered with Coinbase to pilot Novi digital wallet in the US. And Novi will let people send USDP. USDP is the Pax dollar, which is an ERC20 token. So we could basically say that Facebook will be using Ethereum. Yes, Ethereum is pretty awesome. Right now, the price of Ethereum above $4,000. Again, congratulations to everyone that held and continued to build up their Ethereum portfolio over the last few months. Of course, the regulators are still not happy with Facebook, and the Senate Banking Committee, Democrats, are calling on Facebook to stop the launch of Diem and Novi. So we'll have to see how this plays out. In other bullish news, DraftKings is partnering with Polygon to expand into NFTs and cryptocurrency possibilities. Currently, the price of Polygon, $1.51. I know there's a lot of Polygon fans in the space on this channel as well. So if you're a Polygon fan, make sure to put it in the comments down below. Also, make sure to give this video a like if you have not already. So we can see right now, like we said, this is exciting, bullishness, but we have to also be careful, because right now, everyone is focused on this space. And usually you want to invest into something, or at least make bigger buys into something, when people are not paying attention. So we were all paying attention to NFTs. Then NFTs had a silent crash just over the last week. Now everyone is paying attention to Bitcoin and large altcoins. Now, I do believe eventually this will slow down. And when that slows down, we will see interest go right back into NFTs. So that's where I am focusing my attention right now. Of course, I'm still focused on crypto. I am focused on altcoin, but I'm really focused on NFTs because this is not getting the attention that it was getting just a couple weeks ago, right? Everyone's focused on crypto now and altcoins. I am as well, but my focus is on the NFTs. And we know that Coinbase is going to very soon launch their NFT marketplace. And when this news came out, I was excited. We were all excited. I thought maybe, this is a cool idea, but I'm never really going to use it. I don't want to use Coinbase NFT. I don't want to use a closed off system. But we just found out about very big bullish news from Coinbase. In a series of tweets on Twitter, they stated that collectors will be able to buy an NFT using their preferred self-custody wallet, Coinbase wallet, MetaMask, etc., or by simply signing in with a custodial Coinbase account. So Coinbase NFT will give us the option to just simply take our MetaMask wallet, go there and connect, just like we do it with OpenSea. But if we don't want to do that, you have the choice to use the custodial Coinbase account. You can link your bank account and buy with US dollars. So this is something that I am paying attention to. And right now with all of this excitement, many of you are wondering, do I buy, do I sell? Maybe some of you watching don't have crypto and you want to get involved, or you have crypto but not enough. Then some of you have crypto and you have these major unrealized gains and you're thinking, do I sell? You're probably watching videos and reading articles. What should I do? Well, all of those videos telling you what you should do, it's impossible, because when it comes to these types of situations, it is very unique to your specific situation, your lifestyle. How many people are in your family? Where do you live? What are your expenses? And so on. And I know also many of you are thinking, well, okay, maybe I get that. What one person does is not what I'm going to do. But I know I'm going to wait for the moment to buy or sell, right? I'm going to wait for the top. I'm going to wait for the bottom. I'm going to tell you right now, you will not time the market. I'm going to repeat it again. You will not time the market. Not only that, it is very difficult that you will even come close to timing the market. But when you understand this, you can use it to your advantage. And if you want to know why you will not time the market, go ahead and watch this video. And not only in that video do I speak about why you can't time the market, but what you could actually do about it in order to protect yourself and make more money. And if you found value in this video, please consider hitting the like button. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you next time.